Marcus had $460 to his name. No inheritance, no connections, no degree anyone cared about. What he had was a notebook, full of 6 months of observations made while working security at a downtown office building. Every morning, same scene. Office workers circling the block, late, frustrated, paying $12 a day to park 3 blocks away. Across the street, a vacant lot, owned by a developer named Gerald. Permit stuck for 3 years. The lot sat empty, costing Gerald $1,400 a month in property tax. Earning him nothing. Marcus did not see an empty lot. He saw Gerald's bleeding wound and his own solution. He walked in with one question. What is this lot costing you? To do nothing with, Gerald told him. Marcus offered to lease it, $1,000 a month. He would handle everything. Gerald signed, because $1,000 received is better than $1,400 paid. That math required no negotiation. Now here is where most people would have stopped. Most people would have set up cones and charged $12 a day per car. Marcus did not do that. He called the HR director of the office building across the street. His pitch was 3 sentences. Your employees are arriving late because they cannot find parking. I have 40 reserved spots 2 minutes from your front door. $80 per employee per month. Through payroll deduction. The HR director enrolled 40 employees in the first week. 40 times 80 is $3,200 a month. Marcus was paying Gerald $1,000 net, after a basic insurance policy, just over $2,000. From a lot he did not own, using money he did not have. But he was not done. He leased the morning window before the office workers arrived to a logistics company for delivery van overflow. $400 a month. He gave the prime lunch spot to a food truck operator. $300 a month. Month 3. Marcus was clearing over $8,000 a month, net. From one lot, one lease, 3 phone calls. Now ask the question this channel always asks. Who profits from you not knowing this exists? The developers who want you focused on buying property, because buyers pay commissions. The banks who want you saving for a down payment, because savers become borrowers. The entire system that teaches you wealth begins with ownership. When the most ruthless operators in every city know, wealth begins with control. Gerald owned the land. Marcus controlled the cash flow the land produced. Ownership is taxed. Ownership is recorded. A well-written contract between 2 private parties sits outside most of that machinery entirely. Somewhere in your city, right now, there is a Gerald, sitting on an asset that is costing him money to do nothing with, waiting for someone to walk in and ask the right question. The lot is already there. The question is whether you are the one who asks, or the one who keeps driving past it, paying $12 a day, wondering why the money never adds up. Follow the why of wealth, because the next lot might have your name on the contract.